Hi everyone, Milon here, back again. Now, this is a video where I lay out exactly how I was able to hit my first 10K month and exactly what you need to do for you to hit that 10K month as well, because ultimately watching it, so you want to learn, okay? Now, keep in mind, you gotta finish that entire thing for you to actually learn and how to put all this together. So don't just watch these things and you got it all. You actually gotta finish, because finishers hit those 10Ks, those who quit don't, okay? So stay with me till the end and I promise you it'll be worth your while, okay? So let me tell you a little bit of a story, okay? When I first started, I charged very, very little. My first sale to make a sales funnel for someone was $125, okay? When I started, I had no experience, no nothing. I just charged someone $125. So I would make one landing page for them. That's it, with a VSL, couple of testimonials and blah blah blah. Again, I had no credibility. So what I did was charge a low amount so that I could break through the noise. There's so many people offering web services, logos, copywriting, blah, blah, blah. So many of those services, right? But usually, if you want to get on in that pie, you're gonna have to get somewhere to start. So you charge a low amount so you can break through the noise. The purpose of this is to collect video testimonials. Okay, video testimonial have allowed me to literally hit multiple 5-figure months in my business, because the conversion goes off the roof. Okay, so you're not charge low, give a lot of value, and get those video testimonial, because it's gonna help you stand out. Okay, let me show you a framework that I have personally used that actually helped me with this process. Okay, this isn't just some theory that I'm telling you guys. This is proven, tested thing, right? That's been tested by so many of so many people. Is if you want other people to take you seriously, let me show you guys this. Okay, if you want other people to take you seriously, you you gotta do the market research, identify the problems, create assets, set a small price, and use outbound messaging to test your solution to your leads. Okay, and determine if people are actually buying what you're selling. Before you go to run ads or anything like that, we want to know if the product you're selling is actually delivering or not, because if they don't deliver, then chances are people not gonna keep buying it. Okay, so you can't really hit those 10 figure months like you want. So that is the first foundation of hitting 10-figure month, is to have a process. Whatever your offer may be, you want to charge low enough so you can collect those studies and see your offer is converting as a reasonable rate. Now, throughout this course, we dive deeper into how to do that, and our fully paid course, we actually show you exactly what you need to do for your business. This is just an overall arcing to get you guys started and thinking in the right direction. Now, this is the first step, but of course, if you're if you're charging $100 or $200, even $500, it's gonna take you hundreds of sales before you actually make $10,000 in a month. So one of the way I was able to one of the way I was able to hit 10-figure months was to go from 125 to 500 and then to 1,000, and that changed the game for me. Now this will only work if you are an expert, if you know what you're doing. You can't charge someone $1,000 when you haven't done the work. You can't produce the quality of $100. Value is super important. You can only charge a premium price when you offer a premium service. So if you're starting out, all of your time shouldn't be dedicated to acquiring more customers, but actually trying to improve, learn. This is where most of your time should go into. when new people start out, one of the mistakes they make is they spend around 80% of their time looking for new clients instead of spending all that 80% time actually improving and investing in their own education and learning mindset. This is the big change you need to overcome. And of course, if you need help, feel free to reach out. Would be happy to help as well, um, to get into that next level. Okay, so these are some of the basic things that are going to allow for you to hit $10,000 a month at $1,000 each. Only need 10 clients a month. Okay, very, very possible. Well, just really look at the numbers. Okay, say you talk to 50 people and 10 of them buy from you, $10,000, right? So of course you need to say the right things, actually need to know what to say and how to get on a call, how to convert. Those are skills that we cover and look in depth later on. So stick around. I will see you all in my next video. I hope you got a ton of value from this. Again, make sure to reach out at the bottom, book a call, and one of my team members or I will be more than happy to help. Bye.